Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Whenever we plan a vegetarian menu, mainly North Indian style, one item definitely makes its appearance, that is any dish containing paneer. Paneer is such a versatile dish and it is loved by all. Even when we go to restaurants, definitely we order one paneer dish. So today let me show you how to make a simple home style paneer curry with minimum ingredients available at home. So for this, first we'll make a masala paste. I have chopped one onion. I have about 3 garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger. Take them all into your blender jar. Along with it, add some turmeric powder, kashmiri chilli powder and dania powder. We'll grind all these together into a paste in our blender jar with the addition of a little bit of water. Our masala paste is well blended and ready. Next, heat a little bit of oil in a pan. Also add a spoon of ghee to it. Now add this ground masala paste. Now cook this for a couple of minutes till the oil separates. See, the masala is cooked well and you can see the oil and ghee separating. Now I am adding 1 chopped tomato. Mix it also well. Along with it, I have some beaten curd here. I have about 1/4 cup of beaten curd. We'll add that also. Now cook it on a low to medium flame till the gravy becomes a little thick and the tomatoes are also softened. Next, here I have about half a cup of frozen green peas and also about 100 grams of paneer. I have chopped it into cubes. Mix it all well together. Adding a little more water, about 1/4 cup of water, so that we remove all the masalas from this also. And also some pink salt. Mix everything well together. We'll cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes on a medium flame. Side by side we'll also make some rotis to go with it. Just smear some ghee on your rotis. Let's check our paneer curry. See, that is also very well done. Now I can switch it off. Finally, add some fresh coriander leaves on it. It is ready to be served. We'll transfer this to our serving dish. So a simple home style dinner combo of rotis and paneer curry is now ready to be served. So this quantity of paneer curry should be enough for 2 people. So a tasty simple dinner recipe, rotis, paneer curry and some salad. So do definitely try out this delicious paneer curry home style, and you can serve it either for lunch or dinner with rotis or even with jeera rice. It goes very well. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with many more interesting videos. Thank you.